Yo guys, what up? Patrick LeVar back with another video, and you guys voted. It was very close. It was going to be mobile photography or something in Kinemaster, so you guys voted for something in Kinemaster. But anyways, the whole lesson of this video here was I was basically out and I was on a day trip, and again, story is king. I want to press that so much. So many people send me videos to watch, and I watch them and I'm kind of like, okay, this is great. I'm just watching a bunch of different scenes. But what's keeping me? What do you want me to watch? What do you want? Should I stay and watch this whole video? Story, guys. Story is king. So I was filming with Kinemaster. I was using Kinemaster to edit this video. I was a day trip. I was using the what did I take? I took the Movi gimbal with me. Only got to use it for a little bit. I didn't really want to post this video because it didn't come out the way I wanted to. My story didn't feel complete, but you know what, I don't want to be like all the other YouTubers and only post the good stuff. I want to post, you know, the stuff that I struggle with too, because we all are gonna struggle trying to do this, you know, mobile photography and filmmaking and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna share this video with you guys to show you my day trip that didn't go the way I wanted. And again, it was extremely difficult trying to film. Again, I always film by myself. I don't have the luxury of a friend to film for me or this or that. I have a luxury of a tripod. And again, out on a day trip with my 2-year-old, and it's like if you take your eyes off her for 2 seconds, she's from here to here. So it was a challenge again, and very difficult, but I didn't get to complete the video like I really wanted to. But I'm gonna post it and show you guys anyways. And the second half of the video, again, I was doing some reading on this trip because we had a lot of driving time, and it talked about framing and using lines and stuff to do some type of framing. So the second part of the video was actually really cool. I went handheld the whole time, no gimbal. I left the gimbal in the car, and matter of fact, I had my daughter on my back so I could just keep her in one location, and was trying to film these static shots, no moving. That's what we call a static shot, is no movement, and handheld with the phone, and then try to just practice on using my scene to get some very good geometry type lines going. So enough of my jibber jabber. Check out the video, guys. To me, it's not my normal quality, and I just wanted to share it with you guys also, just to let you know, you know that I'm struggling just as much as you guys do. So enough the jibber jabber. Patrick LeVar, keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to join the Discord server. Share your videos, share your pics there. I'd love to see them. And if you don't, check all the social media garbage down below. Patrick LeVar, peace. See ya. Well, we came here to see the whirlpool, and unfortunately the whirlpool wasn't whirly today. No, I think because of the low tide that the whirlpool wasn't in action, so maybe next time, huh? See ya. I had a lot of time to do reading on this trip. I was reading something in photography about looking for geometry, lines, and framing. This next stop was a perfect opportunity to practice. didn't use the gimbal. I went handheld on all of this stuff. Again, even practicing some of my handheld movements. I also had my daughter on my back, so it was very hard to keep the video extremely smooth, but hey, that's life. We just finished up the whole day with a nice dip in the onsen in the Japanese bath. Fantastic. Obviously can't take you inside there, but it was superly fantastic. And I can tell you, I don't feel uncomfortable being the only black guy in a room full of naked Japanese men. Anyways, Patrick LeVar, keep filming. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.